Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make breakfast enchiladas. First, gather your essential ingredients like a dozen corn or flour tortillas, 8 large eggs, and about 2 cups of shredded cheese. We'll also prepare a quick, zesty sauce to pour over them. This dish is perfect for feeding a crowd or for meal prepping a week's worth of delicious breakfasts. Get ready to transform your morning routine with this savory and satisfying meal. Now let's create the delicious filling. Begin by cooking about 1 pound of your preferred breakfast meat, like crumbled sausage or crispy bacon, until it's perfectly browned. Next, scramble 8 large eggs until they are light and fluffy but not overcooked. Gently combine the cooked meat, scrambled eggs, and about 1 cup of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese. Season this mixture with a dash of salt, pepper, and a hint of chili powder to elevate the flavors. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble these breakfast delights. First, warm 12 corn or flour tortillas slightly to make them more pliable and prevent tearing. Take about 1/4 cup of the savory filling and spread it down the center of each tortilla. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly, then place it seam side down in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Once all 12 enchiladas are arranged, generously pour your chosen sauce evenly over them. Finally, let's get these enchiladas baked to perfection. Sprinkle the remaining 1 cup of shredded cheese evenly over the sauce tortillas. Place the baking dish into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is beautifully melted, bubbly, and lightly golden brown. Let them rest for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh cilantro, sliced avocado, or a dollop of sour cream for an extra touch of deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.